Welcome to this training video on Procedure Directive 308, 14 days with no attendance participation. If any student has 14 consecutive calendar days with no attendance or participation in classes, federal rules require termination of the student's enrollment. The assumption behind this requirement is that a student who fails to attend or participate for 14 days has effectively dropped out of school without notifying the college. Registrars will use the following process to track and monitor compliance with the 14-day no attendance participation termination requirement. Monitoring activity and enrollment will be done through an ongoing examination of attendance and participation records. Attendance information is gathered from roll call data. Participation information will come from the Learning Studio management system. On-ground students. Attendance is taken in each course, and the roll card information is entered daily. If an on-ground student is taking an externship course, the campus must have a mechanism to record externship attendance. Hybrid students. The campus will record only actual roll card attendance. Campuses must not use information from the LMS as attendance. Online students. No attendance is recorded. Online students' activity and participation is tracked by the LMS. The 14-day report gathers attendance records and participation records from every active student. To access the 14-day report from SharePoint, select the Reports tab. Select the eCollege folder, select the Attendance folder. Each campus registrar or other designated person runs the 14-day report daily to monitor the number of days an active student has not recorded attendance or participation. The campus should use the 14-day report as an early warning system to identify and contact students approaching 14 days with no attendance or participation. If a student reaches 14 consecutive days of no attendance or participation, the registrar must terminate that student's enrollment on the 14th day of no attendance or participation. When terminating a student for 14 days with no attendance or participation, the registrar will immediately 1. Prepare a change of status form, 2. Verify and document the student's last day of attendance or participation, or the LDA. On-ground students' LDA will be the last day of documented attendance. Online and hybrid students' LDA will be the last day of documented online participation. 3. Make a copy of the documentation to support the LDA. 4. Submit the COS form and the LDA documentation to CFA. The college faces severe compliance penalties for not following the 14-day no attendance or participation policy. Registrars must be extremely diligent in adhering to this rule and immediately processing COS forms with CFA so that college refunds and R2-T4 processing are completed within federal guidelines.
Created using Powtoon.